In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ElevenLabs Reader app for free. First, you'll want to head over to the App Store. Once there, search for the ElevenLabs Reader app. This is a fantastic tool that allows you to listen to content in an engaging and easily accessible way. Click on the app to begin the downloading process. This should only take a moment depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open the app. Here you'll encounter the option to sign up or log in. If you're new to ElevenLabs, simply follow the on-screen prompts to create an account. It's a straightforward process requiring just a few details. On the other hand, if you already have an account, just enter your credentials and log in. Now that you're inside the app, you're ready to start immersing yourself in a vast array of auditory content. There are two main options. You can either import a file from your device or paste a link to the content you want to hear. This flexibility is particularly handy, making it simple to choose the format that works best for you. To import a file, tap on the Import option and navigate through your device to find the specific document you wish to listen to. If you're opting to paste a link, make sure you have the link ready in your clipboard. Tap into the provided field and paste it there. This feature is perfect for gatherings from around the internet, making it easily available for auditory enjoyment. One of the best things about the free tier of the ElevenLabs Reader app is that it allows you to listen to a substantial amount of content every month without costs. It is worthy of managing your usage and perhaps keeping an eye on your monthly limits. As you start listening to your selected piece of content, you might want to customize the listening experience by adjusting the voice settings. The app gives you the ability to select different voice types to suit your liking. Whether you prefer a soothing tone or something more dynamic, don't hesitate to explore the available options. Experimentation is key here, and there are plenty of voices to explore, so take the time to find the one that suits your preference. Adjusting these settings can vastly enhance your listening experience. Before concluding, here's an extra tip. Always ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. Doing so means you'll have access to the latest features and improvements, making your time with the ElevenLabs Reader app even more enjoyable. There you have it, convenient listening at your fingertips. Dive into the world of audio content with the ElevenLabs Reader app and enjoy a seamless, customizable listening experience, all for free. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy listening.